Here we are milking Darth. Been milking her for about 5 minutes. This big Coke bottle on the front. We got milk coming out of it finally. And it's actually remarkably clean looking. It's a little yellow, but it's not cottage cheese like. So hopefully we can do this and then the calf will take off. So it's not sucking that back one either, but I don't know if that one's working anymore. I believe it was last year, but anyways, do this for a few more minutes. See if we can get down in size and the calf can start sucking off of it. There, we're finally getting it down in size. So her back legs had to be tied. Well, back leg. So it just about kicked. I don't think this is a highlight for either of us. Oh, there, I'd say it's half the size it was.